Guys, welcome back again. Today, um, so basically I told you guys about how I haven't played Animal Jam in like 2 years, and it's been a while, so I basically wanted to join back, and I didn't show you guys. I think I did, but I don't remember, and I'm not gonna go check it back. So this is my really old account. Not really old, but it's like old. So, nah. This is my old account. This is like my account, and I was like really rich at the time. So I told you guys that already, but I was like really rich at the time, and I wasn't like famous. I would usually get reported a lot. I know this is a dumb idea, but I'm just gonna report myself. I don't know why, but no, that's actually no idea. But I explained to you guys I haven't played this in a while. I'm just starting to get used to it again. I just gotta work on a few things. But if you guys wanna add me, I know this is not my username, but I just like to go this way. I know it's not with my username or anything, but I know. So you can see it's my username. Because you said you can't search yourself, so it's obviously me. So um yeah, I haven't. So my friend named Carrie Anna, Carrie Anna, a Carrie Ann AJ. I think I don't know. We have been trading for like the past 2 minutes probably, and she left after. She left after because she told me she had to do something. So I was like, okay, whatever. And she left for a while. And then she came back and she left again and she never came back. It was probably her bedtime. Cause like I have a bedtime, it's like at 10 o'clock. And it's 11 o'clock. And that's because my parents came home late and I didn't have a bedtime at that time, so I'm basically just wandering off. Wandering off. Just wandering off. Yeah. Well, I have to tell you, she's a scammer. I don't know how she got in my inventory or whatever it's called, but she scammed me. Not really, she just like tried to scam me, and I was like, no. Because I used to get scammed a lot on my other account, because I was like 7 and I was like really dumb, so I didn't know I didn't know which one I was. Because I started energy when I was 6, pretty much. So I was like really dumb at the time because I didn't care about scamming, hacking, and scaling and trusting and all that other bad stuff. I didn't really care about that. It's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna trade, like for example, oh yeah, I'm gonna trade this panda backpack for, I'm gonna trade this panda backpack for a spike. No, actually, I'm gonna trade the tennis for a spike. Hey, I'm gonna trade the spike for a panda power backpack, and then you send the trades, and then boom, you get scammed. I didn't really care. Like I just went with it. I was like, oh yeah, okay. And then because they said after I traded them, they would give me like 4 spikes. I was like, yeah, okay, I traded you. And they said, okay, I'll give you 4 spikes. And they said, be ready. And it was like, and like left, like they unfriended me. They left. I was like, no. And then I got scammed again. Like I was like really weird at the time, so I had like 4 or 5 spikes. I had like 4 or 5 spikes, and then I got hacked because it was like this koala. And then he would say he was doing the trusting. It's like a thing when you trust someone, like you have to trust them. Like, okay, this was a test. So let's say, can I trust you? And you say the answer yes. And then they give you a few questions, like question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, question 10, and everything else. So they give you a question and anything, and then you have to pass it. And then it's like, yes, I trust you. So basically, you trade them, like you trade them things basically. So you like trade them like for if you go to here and you see this, like if you see one sec, I gotta have to find it. It takes a while for you to find it because it's like so it's like called a necklace, and like you have to have like 5 necklaces on your trade thing, and then you trade them your best item, and then you receive that. You receive the necklace, so something like that. So I didn't really care at the time. I didn't really care at the time, but now I do. I don't know how, because I never watched any videos about hacking. I just know that I won't definitely do it again or anything, because I'll probably get hacked again, and that's not good. So, for example, let me just type in Boogie, for example, Boogie 8. For example, if anyone tries to hack you or scam you, just block them and also report them or scamming you. And then you just want to unfriend them if you're already his friend. And thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you add me. And if you guys need to remember, my username is the original Snowy. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you later, and I'll be giving sign ups. Bye.